Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover GoFundMe account. For that, open up browser on your phone. After you open up your browser, search gofundme.com on your search bar. Now you'll directly land on GoFundMe's website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top right. Tap on login. There you'll see the option of forgot your password. Tap on it. Enter your email address and then select request new password. Now you'll receive a reset instruction on your email. So open up your mail. There you'll see the option of reset password. Tap on it. After that, set a password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure that your password has at least 12 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number and 1 symbol. After you are done, tap on set password. This way you can recover your GoFundMe account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.